What's up everyone, it's your boy Jack Paul here, and today I'm about to blow your mind. You know those free gift card scams? Forget them, because right now, live, I'm going to show you how I just got a $100 Amazon gift card completely free, and how you can too. No catches, no downloads, just pure, unadulterated free cash for Amazon. Stick around, you won't believe it. Alright, let's begin. Just follow me step by step. Go to this website, www.cardvaultx.com/Amazon. Select an amount. I select $100. The code has been generated, but there's just one final step. It looks like the last 5 digits are locked. They want to verify I'm human and not a bot. So let's verify now and see if we can unlock it. It's simpler than you think. To claim your reward, all you need to do is complete one quick and easy offer from their trusted sponsors. I cannot show my personal registration details or any of my own information during YouTube privacy and security. I'll be going through the process myself after this, and you'll be able to follow the same simple steps. The code has been unlocked. All you need to do now is copy this code and go to amazon.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Click on the gift card option. Once you're there, just select Redeem Gift Card. Paste that code and click the Apply button. I got it. Guys, I'm not even kidding. It's a $100 Amazon gift card. I followed the steps, completed one simple offer, and just like that, $100 for Amazon. This is insane. So if you want to try this out for yourself and potentially snag your own Amazon gift card, you know what to do. Check the description below for the link to the website I used. Seriously, go check it out. Hit that like button right now and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Thanks.